Hello my dear students, welcome to CMI's online classes. In today's class, in this video for the students of Standard 6, we will continue with the same chapter, chapter 17, articles. In our previous video on this same chapter, we have already understood what are articles, what are the kinds of articles, and we have also understood the uses of indefinite articles in detail. Okay, and in today's class, in this video, we will understand about the uses of definite articles, definite article the. Okay, so now we will move ahead with the explanation of the uses of the definite article the. Okay, so when to use the. Okay, the definite article is used. So when to use? While speaking of a particular person or thing that has already been referred to. So whenever I told you that while explaining the indefinite articles a or and, a or an, a and an. Okay, we use a and an when we talk about a singular noun for the first time in a sentence. Okay, but when we talk about the same noun in the second sentence, it is already referred in the first sentence, and now after referring the same noun in the first sentence, after that when we write about the same noun, then we write the before the same noun. Okay, like I returned the book I had borrowed from my teacher. That means we have already come to know about the book because I have already borrowed it earlier. Okay, so I am again talking about the book, so I have to write the girl in the red sari is the principal's daughter. Okay, so that means we are already definite about that girl. We are already known about that girl. So the girl in the red sari is the principal's daughter. The shop you spoke about was short for the day. Okay, because we are already spoke about the shop earlier, so now again we are talking about the shop, so the. Okay, so this noun, okay, this singular noun के बारे में हम, here what we have to understand, we are using the before singular nouns. Okay, the before singular nouns. Okay, now जिस सिंगुलर नाउन के बारे में हम पहले ही बात कर चुके हैं और दूसरे बार बात कर रहे हैं, तो उस समय हमें उस सिंगुलर नाउन के आगे हमें द का इस्तेमाल करना है. ओके, नाउ अनदर इज बिफोर प्रॉपर नाउन्स लाइक नेम्स ऑफ रिवर्स, seas, oceans and mountain ranges. For example, the Amazon, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Alps. So the is used before proper nouns. Okay, but it does not mean that all proper nouns use the before them. Okay, so many proper nouns are there that before those proper nouns we do not use any article. That means the is not used. और बहुत सारा proper nouns ऐसा है जिसके आगे हम definite article the का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो ऐसा कैसा proper nouns है जिसके आगे हम article the का इस्तेमाल करते हैं? वो है particular name of rivers. किसी नदी का, कोई भी नदी हो, अगर उस नदी का नाम है तो नदियों के नाम के आगे हम क्या लगाएंगे? डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द लगाएंगे. जैसे द गंगा, द यमुना. ओके, लाइक दिस. लाइक बिफोर द नेम ऑफ सीज ऑल्सो. सीज मीन्स this is common noun, rivers mean common noun, but we are talking about the particular name of rivers, we are talking about the particular name of seas, oceans, mountain ranges, etc. Okay, so ये सारे places, ये सारी water bodies particular name, water bodies के particular name के पहले हम क्या लगाएंगे? definite article the लगाएंगे. Like the Arabian Sea. Okay, oceans, the Indian Oceans. the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, okay, the mountain ranges like the Mount Everest, the Alps, okay, understood. Now another point to understand is before names of newspapers and holy books. So here also another proper nouns, other proper nouns before which we use the definite article the is the name of newspapers, name of holy books, okay, like the Bible. Bible is the particular name of a holy book, okay. So before it is the proper noun, so before the name of book we use the Vedas, the Gitanjali, like this. The Times of India. Times of India is the name of the newspaper, okay, name of a newspaper. So here the, like the Hindustan Times, the Telegraph, like this, understood. Now before the names of famous buildings, so here also another ग्रुप ऑफ प्रॉपर नाउन्स लाइक कोई भी बिल्डिंग का नाम हो, फेमस बिल्डिंग का नाम हो, वर्क्स ऑफ आर्ट एंड मोन्यूमेंट्स, कोई भी मोन्यूमेंट्स का नाम हो, बिफोर दैट ऑल्सो वी यूज बिफोर दीज प्रॉपर नाउन्स ऑल्सो वी यूज द डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द, लाइक द वर्ल्डली सी लिंक, ओके, द नेशनल लाइब्रेरी, द यूएन, द मोनालिसा is the name of painting, famous painting, okay, the Louvre Museum, okay, like the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, like this, before the monuments and famous buildings, okay. When a singular noun is used to represent a whole class or group, जब कोई singular noun को हम उस एक singular noun के माध्यम से हम उसके सारे होल ग्रुप को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हैं, उस समय हम उस नाउन के आगे भी डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. लाइक द एलिफेंट इज अ मासिव क्रिएचर, दैट मीन्स ऑल एलिफेंट, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल एलिफेंट ऑफ ऑल ग्रुप्स, ओके. द नीम ट्री इज अ वेरी यूजफुल ट्री, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट वन नीम ट्री, दिस नीम ट्री रेफर टू ऑल नीम ट्री, ओके, understood. So whenever we talk about any singular noun, and if that singular noun represents the whole class or group of that particular noun, okay, like the dog is a faithful animal, that means we are not talking about any particular dog, we are talking about the dog of all families, okay, whether it is hybrid or whether it is a local dog, we are talking about all families of dog, okay, dogs. Now see here, the cat is a selfish animal, okay. So here the cat means cat of all families, okay. Now another important point to understand about the uses of the definite article the is it is used before the superlatives and ordinal numbers, okay. That means whenever we use the superlative degree of adjectives, then we use the definite article the, like the greatest, okay, understood, the best, he is the most brilliant, so most brilliant is the superlative degree of adjective, okay. So before the superlative degrees of adjectives we use the definite article the, and also before the ordinal numbers we use the. Ordinal number means when we write the name of numbers with according to their position, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So before these ordinal numbers we write the definite article the, okay. This is the third time. For the first time I was selected in a singing competition, like this, okay. Now number 7 is to refer to people or objects that are unique. So इस दुनिया में कोई यूनिक मतलब उसके जैसा दूसरा चीज है ही नहीं, ओके, दैट इज ओनली वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड. दोज थिंग्स और दोज पीपल और दोज ऑब्जेक्ट्स, कोई भी चीज हो अगर वो दुनिया में सिर्फ एक हो, उसके जैसा सिर्फ एक हो, तो उसके आगे भी हम डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. लाइक द सन रोज एट 6:21 a.m. That means sun. We are talking about sun, which is only one in this world. So the The captain will address the team at 8 a.m. That means captain, we are only one captain in the team. Okay. With adjectives which refer to a whole group of people. See, ऐसा adjective जो उस क्वालिटी को रेफर हम पूरे ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल को करते हैं. लाइक द ब्रेव आर एडमायर्ड. दैट मीन्स हियर द ब्रेव मीन्स we are talking about all those people who are brave. So the brave. Okay, Robin Hood robbed the rich and gave to the poor. That means here rob the rich, here wealth. Rich refers to wealth. Okay, the wealth means any kind of wealth he robbed and he gave it to the poor. The poor means we are not talking about any particular person. We are talking about the poor people of all classes. Okay. Now here the definite article the is also used with decades and centuries. Decades and centuries. The duration of years. Okay. Like the 70s, the 1800s. Okay. Now with countries that have plural names. Okay. So ऐसा countries जिसका plural names है, like the Netherlands, the Philippines. Okay. Now with countries that have the words republic, kingdom or state in them, like the United States, जिसके अंदर it represents the unity of the states, unity of the country, unity of the kingdoms. Okay, the Republic of Ireland, the Republic of China. Okay, like this. Now number 12 is before proper adjectives if they refer to a whole group of people or specify the class or particular class of a particular item. Understood? Like the adjectives that identifies a person referring to a certain country or community. Like the Italians. Italians is an adjective that refers to the people living in Italy. Okay. The French. French is an adjective that refers to the group of people living in France. Understood? Now another is with family names, for examples, the Sharmas, the Raos, the Days. Family names like our surnames. When we keep our family names with our surnames, with our title, then with those titles also we use the definite article the, like the Sharmas, the Raos, the Days, the Kumars. Okay, like this. The Khans, the Kapoors. Okay. Now next is use before the name of musical instruments. So musical instruments के आगे भी हम definite article the का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. The piano, the guitar, the sitar. Okay. I hope you have understood the explanation of the uses of definite article the. Okay. Now here we will discuss about the another points, omission of articles. Omission of articles means where we have to omit, remove. Omission means removal. Removal of articles. That means before the nouns where or before which we do not use any articles. Okay. We do not use articles before names of people and cities. चाहे वो किसी इंसान का नाम हो या किसी cities का नाम हो, शहरों का नाम हो, तो उसके आगे हम the particular name of person is also a proper noun. Particular name of cities are also the proper nouns. Okay. But before the names of persons and before the names of cities, we do not use any article. That Lucknow is the proper noun, is the name of city. We do not use article. We do not use the article, the Lucknow or any other article. I met Ankit. So Ankit is the noun. It is the name of the people, name of the person. So before Ankit, we do not use article. Okay. Spain is in Europe. Spain is also a proper noun. Europe is also a proper noun. Okay. These are the names of countries. Okay. Before the names of countries also we don't use the definite article the. Okay. Don't use. That means here we don't use any article. Before the names of languages and nationalities. Okay. So किसी भी लैंग्वेज के नाम के आगे लैंग्वेज का नाम भी प्रॉपर नाउन है. ओके. Nationalities also refer are the proper nouns. Okay, but before these also we don't use any article. She is learning German, so German is the proper noun here. We don't use any article. Hindi is very popular language, so Hindi is the name of language. English is a very popular language. We don't use any article before the name of languages and nationalities. Before abstract ideas, okay, before abstract ideas, before abstract nouns, we don't use any article. Let's go out for dinner tonight. So here it displays our abstract idea. Okay, so here before dinner we don't use article. Okay, before names of sports, for example, किसी भी स्पोर्ट्स का नाम हो, किसी भी गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स का नाम हो, बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स वी डू नॉट यूज एनी आर्टिकल. लाइक लेट्स प्ले फुटबॉल, लेट्स प्ले क्रिकेट. ओके, ही लव्स स्विमिंग. Okay, so these are the names of sports and games and sports. So before the names of games and sports, though they are proper nouns, we do not use any article. Okay, now before the names of subjects, also we don't use any article. Like Ravi is good at maths. Okay, maths is the name of the subject. So before math we do not use any article. Okay, like I'm good at English. So here English is used as the name of subject. Okay, before English we do not use article. When talking about something in general, for example, ostriches cannot fly. अगर किसी चीज को हम जनरली साधारण रूप से हम प्रेजेंट कर रहे उस टाइम, इफ दैट नाउन रेफर्स टू द नाउन्स ऑफ इट्स होल फैमिली, okay, then we do not use any article. Ostriches cannot fly, that means we refer to all ostriches. Okay, like birds can fly. Okay, dogs bark, like this. And before abstract nouns also we do not use any article. Beauty is not skin deep. So here beauty is the abstract noun. So before abstract noun we don't use any article. Love brings people together. Love is an abstract noun. Before love we don't use article. Before plural countable nouns, when we use in general sense, for example, oranges are grown in Nagpur, rivers dry up in summer in some regions in India. So here plural nouns जो countable होता है, अगर हम उसे, if that plural nouns refer to the nouns of the same family, the whole family, then we don't use any article. Like oranges are grown in Nagpur, that means we are talking about these oranges. Okay, plurals. Rivers dry up in summer. So these are general idea, general knowledge that we have. Okay, generally when we talk about the general knowledge and referring to the particular plural nouns, okay, before that we don't use any article. Before uncountable nouns, when we use in general sense, so before uncountable nouns we don't use any article. Like gold is a good investment, so gold is uncountable noun. Money can be used to help people, so money is uncountable noun. Okay, milk has many benefits. Okay, so before these uncountable nouns we don't use any article. Okay, before expressions such as all night, by air, by sea, all day, by train, by bus, before this kind of expression, like I could not sleep all night. Okay, I could not sleep all the night. We cannot say like this. All the night is incorrect impression. All night. Okay, यहाँ पर night क्या है, नाउन है, तो नाउन के आगे हम आर्टिकल नहीं लगाएंगे. बाय एयर, एयर नाउन है, तो नाउन के आगे हम आर्टिकल नहीं लगाएंगे. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू मुंबई बाय एयर. ओके, सो हियर बाय एयर, बाय द एयर नहीं होगा. ओके, बाय द सी नहीं होगा. ऑल डे होगा, ऑल द डे नहीं होगा. ठीक है, बाय ट्रेन, बाय द ट्रेन नहीं होगा. आई एम ट्रैवलिंग बाय ट्रेन, आई एम ट्रैवलिंग बाय द ट्रेन नहीं होगा. Okay, so I hope you have understood the omission of articles also. Once you go through all these explanations at home, okay, then try to understand. If you still have some confusion after reading, then kindly ask me during the class period. Okay, students, I would like to stop here for today's class. Thank you so much for being the part of my today's class. Thank you so much.